Story number 3. Pause the screen and see if you can answer the question. Okay. Did you get 100% correct? Number 1. I was cycling. I was cycling home yesterday when a man stepped, past simple. A man stepped out in front of me. I was cycling home yesterday when a man stepped out in front of me. I was going quite fast. But luckily, I managed to stop in time and I did not hit him. Easy, right? Any questions? Sorry, there's a fly or a bee flying around. Okay, number 1. I cycled home yesterday, right or wrong? Here it is wrong. Because if you say I cycled home, that means I cycled and finished cycling home yesterday. So I cycled home yesterday means the rest of your story that you tell me will probably be at your home. For example, you might say, I cycled home yesterday and when I arrived at home, I was very tired, so I had a shower and went to bed at home. Boring story, but you get the idea, right? Okay, how about number 2? So the correct answer for number 2 is a man stepped, past simple. A man stepped out on the road in front of me. How about a man was stepping? Okay, that's really not good. Why? So all the important actions in your story should be past simple. A man stepped out in front of me is an important part of the story. In fact, it's probably the most important part. And it is in the correct order. What happened first? Well, first, a man stepped out in front of me. Number 3. Okay, the correct answer is I was going quite fast. Now, can we say I went quite fast? Yes, we can say that, but the meaning is very different. What does it mean? If you say I went quite fast, it means I am a bad person and I wanted to kill the man. Why? Because past simple verbs are in the correct order. So, First, the man stepped out in front of me, and then I went fast. Why? Because I wanted to hit him. I wanted to crash into him. I wanted to kill him. It means I'm not a good guy. But if we say I was going quite fast, it means I was already going quite fast. Okay, so the last one. I didn't hit him. Why is that past simple? The simplest reason is it is an important part of the story. Every important action should be past simple. If it's not past simple, it's maybe not very important. It may be background information. And remember, we can take away background information. We can take it away and you will still understand my story. Okay, that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you learned something from this simple little video. Thanks for visiting English Pie. See you later.